Good morning, guys. It is 3:31 Tuesday. Today we are going to be going over 12:1, and you should have already done this. As your solve and share, your I can statement for today is I can order objects by length. So all we're going to be doing today is looking at different objects, and we're going to be telling which object is longer, or longest, So which one is the longest and which one is the shortest. And for this topic, I'm going to be doing a lot of holding papers up to the camera because the objects that you're having to measure, it's going to be easier if you see them that way than it is with me writing on a whiteboard. Sorry about that. I was trying to move my screen down. So at this point, you have watched the Visual Learning Bridge 2. So I'm going to go over it a little bit at the top. It says you can put the worms in order by length. So right on this page, you've got 3 worms. You've got a red worm, which is the shortest, a yellow worm, which is the longest or largest, and the blue worm, which is kind of in the middle. The middle box says the yellow worm is longer than the red worm and the blue worm. So do you guys agree with that? That yellow worm right here is longer than the blue worm and the red worm. So since that yellow worm is longer than both of those, it's going to go at the top because they want to put them in order by the length. Now what they want to do is they want to see between the red and the blue, which one is longer. So as you can see, the blue worm keeps going past the red worm, so it's longer. So the correct order would be yellow, blue, and then red. Okay? Down at the bottom, trying to see a good way to see the sheet. Down at the bottom, it's given you 3 objects and 2 words over here. If you can see those 2 words, longest and shortest. And it's given you I think these are like little party blower things. It's given you a blue one, a pink one, and a purple one. So you want to figure out which one is the longest and which one is the shortest. Well, looking at those 3 objects, the longest one is the one that sticks out the most, which is the pink. And the shortest is either going to be the blue or the purple. So you're going to look at those 2 objects, and if you look at them, you'll see that the purple one stops before the blue one does. So it is shorter. So the shortest is the purple, and the longest is the pink. So go ahead and make sure you make your lines to those, from the 2 words to the 2 party blowers that are the shortest and the longest. Number 2 at the bottom, it gives you 3 different colors of paintbrushes. You have a green, a purple, and a blue paintbrush. And you have to decide which one is the longest and which one is the shortest. The longest is the one that sticks out the most, which is the green. So draw your arrow from the word longest to the green paintbrush. The shortest is going to be the smallest one. So if you'll see, the purple one stops before the blue one does. The purple one is shorter. See how if you look at the purple one, it stops kind of right in the middle of the brush on the blue one? That lets you know that the blue brush is longer, so the shortest one has to be the purple. So you draw your line there. On the next page, you're going to do the same thing for all of these. For numbers 3 and 4, you just draw a line from longest to the longest one, shortest to the shortest. Number 5 at the bottom, you're going to color these crayons based on the clues that it's given you. So if you can't read that, you might have to have your parent help you. And on the back, it's just giving you some little situations and tells you questions, and you have to pick which line it wants. Okay? So you're going to do all of these. You're going to do problems 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So once you get those done, I'll write it up here. 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you get all of those done, have your parents send me a picture of your assignment. And don't forget to do the quick check online. Okay? If you have any questions, guys, let me know. Bye.